What a great way to start a video, right? So if anybody has this case here, this thing is pretty sweet. So far I had to add a couple motherboard mounts right here and here. That's it. And the motherboard I'm using is my B550M Pro VDH Wi-Fi, but I'm not going to use the Wi-Fi on it. So for right now, she's getting a small upgrade just for temporarily until I can get the money saved up and buy her a nice one. I have one that I got picked out that I'm going to probably end up buying for her too as well. It's a 4030 or something like that, 8 gigs. I think that'd be okay. But it'll work for now. It'll be an upgrade from the 640. So this will get her by until I get money saved up. But anyway, I have the heatsink or thing hooked up. I'm not going to use the RPG, so I snipped those wires because I don't really need it. And it made it more prettier to hide the wires up there anyway, because I don't really care for the fan to light up and everything. She doesn't really need any of that, because the other fans that I got her have like a little white around it, so that could be pretty sweet. I'm going to get the motherboard installed real quickly, but like I said, for the B550M, all you have to do is put my point here and here in this case, and that's it. Hey everybody, well, I'm doing a update. I got too ahead of myself. I let the processor in when I'm supposed to do the update, BIOS update first. But I had everything put together. I took out the graphics card. Took out the graphics card and my RAM. Forgot to undo the fans, but I let the CPU in there because I didn't feel like I'm doing all that work and all that. And right now everything's working fine. This thing is lit up nicely, but I don't like the LED lights. But man, she's gonna love this. Oh, that is sweet looking. So I want to just get done as quickly as I can. And the RAM, so while this is doing that, here is the power supply that I got in right now. Hopefully it's a good one. It came by Newegg, so we'll have to see. And then after, I gotta update the BIOS, and you're like, there's no disk drive. But I do have a disk drive for it. You just plug in USB and call it that good. And then these are the cable extensions I'm using. I always want to use these for a long time, and finally I get to do it on my daughter's rig. And you can see just how a nightmare that really is. But I managed to get it to work. It's just going to have to work for right now until later on. This is the RAM I got my daughter. So that's pretty sweet. The processor, where I had to update the BIOS to make it work. And I got the correct BIOS for this to make it work. I looked online and looked up on MSI and looked into the processor numbers, which is the 5500, and it came down to the A-something what recommend for the BIOS update. So I got that. And then motherboard, everything's done, ready to go. I'm happy. I looked online. I'm watching this guy's video at the moment. He's explained how to do it, but I figured, he said you can do it, but sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work. So I figured, there's that part. Okay, lights off, BIOS is done, and then all you do is turn it off. That is sweet. Now what I do is hook up my daughter's graphics card and RAM back up into it, and then get the hard drive out of this computer. Well, here she is in her glory. She is running smooth. Everything is looking pretty good. I see the BIOS I had when the BIOS date is issued. So that's awesome. I have my daughter's computer all done. So my mistake was I had the BIOS correctly installed. I was like trying to figure out, troubleshoot a lot of stuff. The hard drive was actually reading. What it was is taking the old hard drive out of her old computer and slapping a new one, thinking it'll work, which I learned something new today. It does not. So luckily enough for me, I have my Windows 10 installer right here, because I put it on this last drive, and boom, it booted right into that. Got everything done, formatted her hard drive, re-erased everything, and now it works fine. That's all it needed. So I'm still learning at this stuff, so I'm a noob when it comes to this stuff. But now her computer's working great. It just kicked on. Hey Addison, do me a favor. Turn the light off real quick so I can see what this thing looks like when the light's off. Oh, that looks super cool. It ain't as bright as I think or thought it's going to be. But I'm kind of glad I did that like that. But it's got really good airflow through it. So that's awesome. So now I'm going to finish getting her all set up and get everything ready, and I'll see y'all later. Leave a comment down below what y'all think, and yes, I will upgrade her graphics card later on. For right now, this is going to be the second upgrade she's going to get that will help her out, so it is just what I can do for right now. Thanks for watching. Everything works out great. So there was a adapter for this to a 6 plug to plug into the power supply area that uses the connectors that you can use for like your fans and stuff. So normally this fan will have two different plug-ins and stuff for the RBG, which is the lighting, that's what they're called, and I cut those off. And same with the front. The front fans here are right there. They will have it just like this. It made this whole room super freaking bright. I mean bright. It lit this room up like a Christmas tree. I didn't want that. So I took the two wires it has in here. Behind it as clear wires that go to the lights. So I snipped those just like I did with those. Snipped it as well. That way it keeps it less lighting. I know it's kind of weird, but so with my daughter's rig, I got her a few games for free, and I bought her one game. She likes Steam engines too, and then she has Steam, so I got her what game is besides Roblox, and I can't really play any games on the Xbox yet because I don't have her Game Pass hooked up or Xbox or Gold on here yet. But for right now, these are 3 games that I got her: Apex and Shatter, I think that's how you say it, are free to play. House Flipper is actually on sale for like around less than $3 actually, and it's good to the 18th. So I say go pick that up if you want. She loves it. She's having fun decorating houses and flipping them and everything, so it's pretty cool. Mainly she likes playing Roblox, and now she doesn't have any issues playing Roblox anymore. So I'm glad I went with this route, built her a computer. The only thing I don't like is, like you can see, the cords. But what can you do? I could put like a little panel piece over it, but I'm just not going to worry about it. It looks clean enough where it looks cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all next time.